Hello guys. So in this we solve 16 and 17. Okay, so GRE math subject 9367 form. So 16 say that f is exponential g and h, and h prime is satisfies this differential equation, and ask about f. Okay. This is simple because h prime equals to negative g prime. H means that h prime divided by h is negative g prime. This tells you that log h is basically g of x times plus some constant. So h is equal to exponential g of x times some constant. So we write it, go back here, then we have exponential negative g to some constant. So these two cancel. So f is a constant. So the answer is A. F is a constant. Seventeen say that 1 times sine square arc cosine pi over 12. And ask about how do you determine this one. Okay, so to solve this type of problem, that usually I will denote this as theta. So you tell me that cosine theta is pi over 12. Then I want to compute 1 minus sine square. This means that 1 minus sine square is what? It's cosine square, right? Cosine square. But we already know the cosine square. So the answer is just pi over 12 square. So it's pi square over 144. So let's see. The answer is E. Yeah, so it's very simple.